So hello traders, welcome to today's market analysis, August 25, 2025. Let's see the market opportunities one by one by today. And also we can check about the upcoming news, economic news release on this week. What are the major economic news going to release by this week? Let's see. By today, on Monday, we have US news. This is new home sales. This is going to release by, I think, within another 50 minutes. The new home sales data is going to get released. US new home sales data, and by Tuesday we have consumer price core, consumer confidence, CB consumer confidence. It's an important news, and durable good orders. I think it will be negative mostly. And Wednesday we have news on crude oil inventories. Doesn't make much more impact, but let's wait and see. And also we have US GDP. Wow, wow, wow. US GDP, it's going to have a very big impact on this week. So the dollar might get very strong or else the dollar might get very weak. But it's all going to move depending on the fundamental things. So and then we have by Thursday we have US GDP, and then Euro German CPI is there, and core PC index. So I think this week only US news is there, which might give us some good impact on US markets. None of the other markets will have a big impact. However, indirectly or directly, these markets will have an impact anyway. So let's wait and see how the news is going to release on these days. So Euro USD is trying to move up anyway. It reaches the high, reaches the high anyway, but still. So if you ask me, it is still under. Still, it has a chance, has a potential to move up, rise up anyway. So USD is like this, and pound USD is also doing the same thing. It's also trying to move up and down. Aussie USD it just rebounded harder from the support. Still, we need to be careful with Australian US dollar, so we cannot say. New Zealand USD, USDN, USDN tried to rebound harder. The dollar tried to get strong. However, it is just simply consolidating, so we cannot make sure that that it will fall more. Wow, USD Swiss franc still at the high and low. I think SHF break the low, but still we have a potential to move down, I believe. Yep, USD Canadian. USD Canadian made a good movement, but it still have a chance to fall more. Pound CAD is simply consolidating, so USD CAD is also trying to get consolidated. Also trying to get consolidation. Nothing else. Only consolidation is happening over there. So it might have chance to fall more. Going with the trend is a safer thing to do. Euro New Zealand, I'm not sure about that Euro New Zealand. Pound, Euro Pound. The pound also I'm not sure. Not good and worth to deal with. Pound New Zealand hits a high. Might have a chance to fall. 2000 students, but wait and see. Oh, wow, pound out just fell down. 2000 points. Good to see pound out. Just fell down very well. So Aussie Canadian dollar shall try to become stronger, I believe. Yes, Aussie Canadian dollar try to become very strong. So Aussie Canadian try to become strong. So let's note down the Aussie Canadian. It's just rebounding from the top. In other words, it is just simply consolidating. Yes, simply consolidating. think the dollar is getting weak anyway. Euro Swiss franc. Euro Swiss franc does the same thing, and pound Swiss franc is also consolidating. No big changes happened over on pound New Zealand, and also Swiss franc is good to buy. I'm not sure. No, Aussie yen tried to rebound hard. Yeah, Aussie yen tried to rebound hard. I think the sun will break the top. Yeah, JPY again it went back up. Mm-hmm. And after okay, GPU rises there. I think still Australian USD is a very good option to buy. Yes, still Australian USD seems to be very good to buy. Nice to see Australian pound out hits the top, the resistance as well as the retest area. So let's wait and see. Pound yen. Pound yen is also consolidating between high and low and high and low. Move down. Looks like it will move down. Also, Canadian have a lot of chances to only rise up, not even down. It will rise up, mostly I believe. So also Canadian try to rise. Bitcoin, it's the top, it's the bottom. I think Bitcoin will again fall back towards, as I said in the last video, 110k, and then 100k is a very good buying price for Bitcoin because it touches the support level and rebound at $10,000 every time whenever it reaches 100k. So Bitcoin, if Bitcoin try to fall continuously, then it will reach the 100k very soon. So let's wait and see. So in comparing all those things, nothing else is much more impactful over here. So okay, let's come to the